If you want to find out about my offers, hit that buy me a beer link, or if you want to get into contact with me, hit the Twitter or Instagram link. How's it going, YouTube? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Hbar update for you all. Again, make sure you do subscribe if you haven't already, so you do stay tuned into these updates. We did make this bullish trade back over here before the initial breakout, signaling for an eventual push all the way up to here at about 14 cents. It's not a 100% guarantee that this is going to happen because we need to fulfill certain criteria, and I've already given you the invalidation point when we did enter in this range down here, and when we broke out, that was beautiful. We knew that we were actually going to go into some profit. We're still in some profit, but again, we need to break through this gold box. It is currently resistance. That is this left shoulder, if you want to call it, or just a point of resistance, which we did break through, but unfortunately failed to hold its support. So that's why when we come underneath it, we're going to at least tap it as resistance first. But understand that, of course, I've got this Fibonacci over here from measuring this wave down, and we're meant to run into here to then continue lower. That's why I've got the invalidation point over here, that if we go ahead and break this low of 5.5 cents, then we are no longer on this journey up here, because this would actually be the reversal wave being created, where price actually gets above this golden pocket and then heads up to this target. It's not a guarantee, guys, but what did we do with this? We used the fibs over here. It gave us this as a resistance, and we're currently rejecting it. But understand that this is also push up. So about halfway down, we're also going to have a point of support in between 6.1 to 6.5 cent over there. So as long as we're holding in between 6.1 to 6.5 cents, so let's get that right there. There we go, 6.1 to 6.9. So as long as we're holding this area over here, I'm looking for this continuation back up into this resistance. But as we're seeing Bitcoin dumping, which is actually what we mentioned in my group chat over the weekend. I know I haven't been making Bitcoin updates. I want my group chat more exclusive. And we're now starting to get people joining the membership levels. So make sure you do join my chat. There are cryptos in there. And again, the videos that I post on here, yes, some of these cryptos are 1 billion plus in market cap, but you can find gems in my chat, whether it's under 100 million or even under 20 million, under 10 million market cap. I like to keep these hidden in there for my members, for my students. And again, there's over, I think, 80 people in there now. Make sure you go check out my memberships levels and all the other offers that I do have. Now, it's all in the top right corner in where the information button is, or in the description and comment section down below, pinned to the top, and it will bring you over to my link tree where you can get a single mentorship session. You can either personally message me to find out more on my Instagram and Twitter. You can become a member here, get the course or the mentorship plan, the full plan, or simply buy me a beer. Now, I'm going to bring you over to my membership levels, where this is where you can get chat access. This is the first level where you can get chat access, and this is where I'll share my investments when I'm buying, when I'm selling, and just personal thoughts on the market is in there. Now, if you want private one-to-one TA where you can just message me at any point, say, Louis, can you just give me a second, look at this chart, what do you think is going to happen, what's the targets for this, and so on. You can have access to me all the time. Just private message me, and and then over here, we've got the VIP member, where you do also, on top of everything above, you get a single mentorship session each month, 1 hour long, to discuss anything you want. Again, anything to do with, portfolios, strategies. I'll share my strategies with you, how I personally trade, or if there's any struggles that you personally have, we'll work on those as well. So check out those channel memberships. Again, if you just want to contact me over here on my Twitter and Instagram, make sure you're following me there anyway, because I actually have made Hbar updates about this pump up into here over on my Twitter. I do tend to do that if I'm not able to make a Hbar update for you guys over here on YouTube. But as long as we're underneath this, and luckily enough, as we pumped into there, I said you can take profits completely or partial profits, because I am anticipating a dump. As with that green candle over there, it was up 10% that day, but as I made the video that day, it was almost back into minus. As we can see, there's no wicks down, so it didn't go into minus, but almost into minus. And so that was enough for me to tell you guys, okay, wick rejection at the golden pocket, previous resistance here on the left. I'm going to be anticipating somewhat of a drop, but me personally understanding as well that this is a wave up, and then when we get to about halfway down, which is on this previous resistance, now support, holding this upward trend line. Look, if I extend this now, we're even potentially getting a retest on this current candle. I'm going to drag this all the way up to this gold box, because you can even say that this is a potential double bottom forming over here / ascending triangle looking for a breakout. The pattern's target, as I've already mentioned in the last Hbar updates, would be here back at the top. So from the breakout, which we were already in the trade beforehand, there you go, that was already a 30% move back to the top over here, a 60. Now if we were to break the 1 fib level, I'm expecting a 1618 up here from the breakout, about 137%. So that's why maybe in the thumbnail I was saying 140. But from current price now, we can see that this is only a 113% move. Remember, this may not happen at all. We need to hold this ascending support. Not only that, we need to hold this low over here. That's why I've got this invalidation point right here for you guys. Guys, that's pretty much it for today. We are now waiting. If you want more exclusive Bitcoin content and find out about the low cap gems that, you know, some of them are under $15 million market cap, so, and the coins that I'm making, like right now, Hbar, pretty much over $1 billion, isn't it? So if you want to find out about those gems, join my Discord group chat. Again, if you want private TA or one-to-one mentorship, you can find everything you need over here on my link tree. Click that buy, become a member, where it will bring you up to all my membership levels. If you want to join my chat, it's here. If you want private TA constantly, it's here. And if you want one-to-one sessions, including everything above, it's over here on the VIP member. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you in the next Hbar update. Don't forget to follow my Twitter over here. It would be much appreciated if we can grow that to 2K followers. Other than that, there's not much more to say other than we're still holding key levels of support, looking for the bullish breakouts. But unfortunately, guys, we do have Bitcoin looking for dumps lower, and this is what we were suggesting in the group chat over the even before the weekend, over the end, just before the end of the week. We were suggesting that some charts looked a bit dumpy. Again, holding that low is going to keep this potential buy trade all the way up until here. Thank goodness I was signaled for you guys to get out with some profits over here. If you didn't, no worries. As long as we're holding this trend line as well as this low over here of 5.5 cent, 5.45549, then we are looking to go ahead and form this ascending triangle, break out, come back to the 1 fib level, and potentially after that coming back down for support, then looking for continuation to 14 cents. Again, this would be a move from current price of about 115%, but on the breakout of this ascending triangle, this would be a move of about, let's see, not 100%, let's say. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace. I've made this link tree so it's easier for you guys to get into contact with me. If you want to find out more about the course, it's over on my Buy Me a Beer. If you want to simply get into contact with me, it's over on my crypto Twitter or my crypto Instagram. Please do enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and comment, and peace.